Hi, I'm James Davey. Welcome to this series of short videos in which we'll be investigating how to warm up a choir and get the best out of rehearsals. Most choirs learn and develop their vocal and choral skills during rehearsal, and a successful warm-up will refresh these skills and focus everyone for the task ahead. As a conductor, the warm-up forms a regular part of every rehearsal I lead, and is my chance to connect with the singers so they can learn my conducting gestures and get used to watching me. For the singers, it's about sending clear messages to the brain to remind the brain how to behave when singing. It is a form of remembering exercise, tapping into the skills that the singers already have, as well as learning new ones. In these videos, I'll be introducing various aspects of warming up the voice, beginning with exercises to promote good posture and breathing. Then we will look at ways to open up the voice and create a healthy sound, as well as learning a number of musical games for developing choral musicianship. The best warm-ups are the ones that have been chosen specifically to suit the rehearsal. For example, if you're going to be rehearsing a piece with lots of semitone steps, then you might consider using a chromatic exercise in your warm-up. Choirs love learning new warm-ups, so once you've had a go at the warm-ups in this series, you should experiment with developing your own exercises and start building a collection. I hope you enjoy the series and do check back for new videos.